Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are all safe at home, isn't it? Yes. So in today's ICT class, what lesson we are learning? Computer startup and shutdown. In previous month, we have seen about how to start the computer, what is login and password. Okay. In today's class, we are going to see how different users can share the same computer and how to shut down the computer. Let us move to today's class, children.
Okay, children, let us see the first topic, how different users can share the same computer. Already we know the concept of username and password. To secure our data, you can use this username and password. Data in the sense are files and folders. Okay, whatever you have done in your computer, it should be secure. Okay, for that purpose we have created username and password. For a single user also you can create username and password. If you are going to use by many users, you can create different username and password. For example, in our system, in our school, right, we have two users, isn't it? One is for student login and another for Mentas login, that is admin, isn't it? So why? Because we will have some files regarding our school, so we should not you people to access that. Okay, so that only we have provided different workplace. Okay, so you can share your computer with the different users, isn't it? Yes. So let us see the next one, how to shut down the computer. So in previous weeks and all, we have seen how to start the computer, and preceding that we have login, how to log in, isn't it? And then we have username and password, isn't it? So now we are in the end process, so how to shut down the computer. Okay, so shut down the computer has 3 steps. Okay, children, so the first step, entering username and password and moving into our access is called login. Okay, so how we are enter into our workplace, we have to first come out from that place, so that is log out. Okay, so log out or sign out are same. Okay, so here you can able to see in the drop down menu we have many options. Okay, so switch user, sign out, sleep, shut down, restart. Okay, here you have to give sign out. Okay, so log out or sign out is the action of closing your access to the computer. Okay, have you clear about that? Yes. So next, the second step, you have to give shutdown. So before that we have this option sleep. Okay, so for example, if your mother asks you to buy something from the shop, okay, you are working with the word processor or anything else in your computer, so you don't want to leave that moment and you have to continue again. Okay, for that you can use the sleep option. Okay, so the sleep option will turn off your monitor but not the whole system. Okay, once you finish your work and come back, and again if you press the power button, you can able to see where you have left out that page. Okay, from there itself you can continue. So this is the another option we have in computer, so it is called sleep or suspend. Okay, so next one we are going to follow the shutdown. Okay, so shutdown is the action of closing all the activities and shutting down the computer. Okay, so log out is the action of closing your access to your computer, but shutdown is the action of closing all the activities and shutting down the computer. Okay, so next, if you click on the shutdown option, your screen will come like this. Next, what is the step? You have to switch off the switches. Okay, this is the final step. Okay, so next one, so in today's class we have seen how to shut down the computer, isn't it? Yes, have you all clear about this, children? Yes. So let us move to the vocabulary words. So the first word is log out. So what's the spelling? Logout. Log out. Sign out. SIGN. Sign out. 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 Sign out. Access. 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 Next one, shut down. SHUT. Shut down. 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 Shut down. Next one, suspend. What's the spelling? SUSPEND. Suspend. And then sleep. 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 And then switch off. SWITCH. Switch off. OWOFF. off, switch off. Okay, and then closing, closing, closing. Okay, have you all clear about this, children? So read these words and then write in your activity notebook. Next we have activity. You are going to do this activity in your book itself. Okay, so Jodi wants to start the computer. The different steps to start, use and shut down your computer are given below. The steps are jumbled up. Help her by numbering the steps in the correct order. Okay, and then find out which word is formed by rearranging all the letters underlined in red. If you rearrange the letters which are in red, you can get a word, find out that word. Okay, and then match the keys below to the appropriate lock. And then third question, you want to protect your computer and the information stored in it from unwanted access. What option you will use? Okay, here options are given. Read the option correctly and then finish this one. Okay.
Yes, children. So in today's class, we have seen how different users can share the same computer and then how to shut down the computer. I hope you all understand the concept very well. Thank you, students.